So we can type story, file type, dots, two dots, and then PDF. Like I want a specific kind of file. File type, and then I be more specific by showing him PDF. So let's do it يا for. What do you want to search about? I can use the same search, like I can say story, games, file type. So Google understand I want PDF. As you can see, he showed me. Wow. Google tried to help, by the way. He provide the .pdf. Okay, let's see. Now he show me a games story. Like I can read the story and look like a game at the same time. Okay, so that's it. Great for. Let me test this website. History classroom. This game is like going to be like an history classroom. Oh, website is not working. Always reduce amount of tabs that you are using Grid for. Okay, let me change the search. Story. Coding. Let's type coding. Story about coding. Isn't something? This is the story from code.org. Okay. Should I check the Telegram? Okay. Muhammad Musab. Salad received minus cheese. Bravo, Muhammad Musab. I like it. Bravo, Muhammad Musab. So that's it. Great for. We can. Yes. Isn't something? Oh, Munib. Yes. Story. You go Wikipedia. He found the results and then you go Wikipedia. Okay, Munib. Bravo, Munib. Thank you, Munib, and thank you, Muhammad Musab. So, yeah, grade 4. This is not related to my subject. Okay, so yeah, grade 4. Now we know how to search about file type. Find a specific file like a PDF. Story, file type, PDF. Okay.